It's your boy Chef Morgan James, and today let's make chicken marsala my way. It's the only time you'll ever hear me say that parsley is absolutely necessary for a dish. So we got our chicken thighs here, either chicken thighs or chicken breasts. I prefer dark meat. It's a little bit more forgiving in terms of cooking it down. Plus with this sauce, it's gonna make it taste absolutely incredible. I got that Greek Freak by Spiceology. It's like a little Mediterranean blend here. I also got some Kinders, got some lemon butter garlic, because I'm already going into some seasoned AP flour. And that I just kept simple with the salt and pepper. I'm gonna hit this oil in this pan. Mushrooms are pretty much got that color. Some butter, about a half a cup. We're just finishing cooking our chicken. Finish this with some fresh lemon zest. There you have it. Chicken masala, my way. Let's get into it. Some of that sauce on there. Make sure you get your mushroom. Yep. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.